So I wanted a study abroad experience that was kind of off the trail, off the beaten path.
I love how I get to facilitate just the most incredible experiences. I love that I find myself on a Thursday afternoon on the outer reef.
So at university, I live with my family. So this is actually my first time being away from them for 3 months. But definitely gaining the independence, getting, the ability to be away from them for so long and becoming stronger and developing friendships and just experiencing something completely new.
And this is a very rich learning experience for the students, because when they come over here, they are learning not from the textbooks, they are learning from talking to farmers, they are learning from talking to people in the municipality, talking to the park rangers, to local scientists.
And research is something I definitely see for my future, and so being able to have that experience of contributing to a research project but not necessarily having to create your own research project is a really meaningful experience.
SFS students get to conduct research that's quite often groundbreaking. They're quite often studying communities or ecosystems or organisms that actually haven't been studied in many, many years.
I am extremely passionate about diversity and inclusiveness in study abroad. Whatever you may be, I want to make sure that you have access to the tools and the skills that you need in order to become a scientist or to become a conservationist or whatever it is that you desire.
People I've met here have truly changed the way that I think about my life and my career and what matters to me in a way that I really didn't expect.
They are going to be the ones taking care of the planet, so to speak. I'm very optimistic that the world is in their hands.
Yeah, I think this experience will change or shape my future in the way that I'm much more environmentally conscious as a consumer.
I think my favorite part of the program so far has been getting to see things in the classroom and then immediately see them applied outside of the classroom. It's been really fantastic to have my learning be things that I get to learn and then see in practice.